While I'm out here behind the old shed today, this is our mini mobile building, not working on that today, but just trying to get out of the sun and find a secret place to tell you guys that I have something special planned for today because Evie is getting a surprise. So I'm going to try to linger around the house today and hope the delivery comes, and then I'll surprise her and we'll see what she thinks of her gift. In the meantime, we're going to keep working on some projects around here. So for now, while it's early, I'm going to start with working on our bus. This is a side project I've been working on. If you want to see this, you can head over to our second channel, Living Different, and I am giving updates as I work on this project. So after I work on this for a couple minutes, we're going to do something big to the house. All right, we have Evie out here ready to work, right?
Mm-hmm. You're so bright.
And that's exactly the problem. Guys, we've made a decision on this porch. You know, we started the porch project a little bit ago and installed the ceiling, painted the ceiling, and when we painted the ceiling, we said that we kind of wanted to do it a different color, but we weren't sure. So we just started painting it white because we wanted to get it sealed up. But after getting the first coat on, that's just still first coat, we kind of gave up on it. And we've been looking at it, and I think we've made a decision that we're not going white. This was kind of a waste of time.
Yeah.
In fact, it's going to make our job even harder now because we're changing the color, and it would have been much easier to go from the primer to the color than it is to go from the white to the color.
Yeah, it could have been a one coat deal, and now we're probably going to have to do 2 coats.
But you see how bright this is out here? That's the problem.
I have blue eyes, so I have really sensitive eyes to sunlight.
So we said, this is just too much white in here. Ugh. We're going to keep the eaves white for now, but we're definitely painting the ceiling so it can be cozier out here. And the color we chose is something that we already had on hand. Sometimes we go shopping in our shed and pick colors that way, and we are doing
Cadet Gray, which is the same color as the workshop trailer.
We have plenty of this left to do the ceiling.
It's going to be better.
And it's a coordinating color of the siding color.
Yeah.
So, are you excited to paint the ceiling?
I'm not excited to paint, but I'll be glad when it's done.
What?
You did.
What? There's a big truck out here.
What is it?
We'll find out. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. Well, here it is. Did you see it?
I see that it's a DeWalt. Let me guess, it's the pruning tool. Wow. Finally, I get a tool that I wanted. First time I've ever wanted a DeWalt tool.
There's Evie's gift. DeWalt 1.5 inch cordless pruner.
Yeah, I can't use the loppers anymore. They're too cumbersome, and this is gonna make it so much easier.
She's been wanting this for a long time because she likes doing the yard cleanup. You guys know that. She does all the property maintenance, and it's all this loudness.
Airplane.
And when she wants to prune, when she wants to clip back brush, we have these long pruners we got with these great big handles, you know, like the big long ones. And we thought, oh yeah, that's gonna be easier. No, they're just cumbersome because they're so long.
They're so heavy for me. I'm petite, like, and these things are so long, and when you're holding them out like horizontally, it's so heavy.
Yeah, it's just a lot to deal with, especially when you're trying to go in brush and you got these big long things you got to deal with.
Yeah, not good.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm gonna start clearing our woods now.
We'll have to try those out later. I was hoping they would have it all wrapped up somehow, like in a present, you know, but
They didn't have the gift wrap option.
no. We'll try that out later. We're about halfway done with the ceiling. We're
That's
gonna keep
all?
going. I think it's okay. I don't even know if this is the right color, but again, we had this paint. It doesn't cost us anything, and
It's better than the white.
it'll look nice. And I think from the beginning, I wanted the ceiling a different color. We just weren't really sure what to do.
I actually thought the primer looked good with the wall color.
Yeah, like a beige tan.
Yeah. And I usually don't like beige, but it looked good. Here.
Well, hopefully this looks good, and we'll keep going. Okay, well, we are done. Now, I don't know if we're gonna like this, but we're gonna go with it for now. Like I said, we already had the paint. I think a brown ceiling would have looked ideal, like a nice tan. We'll see. After it's all trimmed out, finished up, and looking proper, we'll see how it looks. Because it's gonna look a lot cleaner when all the trim is up.
Definitely.
So,
Yeah, without that messy edge,
yeah,
with a board right there, these capped out.
yep. I don't know. We're just making it up as we go. Now that the porch ceiling is done, maybe we can go over to the mobile home and finish up some small jobs over there as well. We made it over to the mobile home, and we have some really exciting updates to show you guys. First of all, with this living room,
We brought this rug in, and it fits amazing, and it looks amazing. It goes with the black trim. We like it.
some of you guys will remember this rug because we did a video about it, talking about this backstory of this rug and how we weren't sure if we'd be able to use it in this house. And I thought it wouldn't really go style-wise, but honestly, it looks awesome in here. So we're gonna use it, and this defines the living room space. So we're really having the house come together now.
This is a wool rug, by the way.
The rug looks awesome. We also have been getting done some little jobs around here with hole filling. You guys know all the trim has nail holes in it. So we are filling those, and that's why we're here today.
Yep.
I'm gonna carry on with some hole filling, and we're gonna install our new doorknobs.
Mm-hmm.
All right, not too much to share, but I've just spent quite a long time filling all the holes in the living room. So the living room is officially done. I think we only have a little bit of holes in the bedroom to finish, and then just cleaning up some of the holes I did previously in the other rooms because they still need to be buffed out. I'm doing a variety of hole fillers on these holes, and the wax stick, you have to rub it in, then you have to buff it off, and I didn't buff those, so it's going to take some work to get those cleaned up, but yeah, holes filled. I'm just done. Look at how filthy my hands are. I just don't want to do any more of that right now. So I think what we're going to do is get those doorknobs installed because I'm excited to show you guys what we decided for. Because we have these black doors throughout the house, and at the same time we have black hardware throughout the house, like this door. And so I wasn't sure how black was going to look on the black. We don't want to lose the doorknobs. So we decided to change it up and do silver knobs. I think these will look okay with everything. It'll be a little bit different, but they'll look good on the doors. And I think a lot of people suggested this. So we're going to pull these out, get them installed, and we have 5 doors to do.
Yeah.
Well, we're off to a rough start because this is hitting the back of the door before it's going in all the way.
Why does this always happen with every door we buy?
Let me see. It looks like they drilled it in the wrong spot.
It looks like it's way too high. Look how it's sitting in the hole. That's embarrassing.
So I can't put this in. It's hitting the door. The holes aren't in line. So somebody drilled that one wrong. Let's
Look
try
how much space is down here, and up here it's like barely any.
Right. Let's try a different door. I guess we'll try the bedroom door and hope this one works out better. That one fits. Barely, but it fits.
What?
I didn't read the instructions, so. Let me.
At least these fit in perfectly.
Okay. Well, so far it's going okay on this door.
I feel like we never have used those.
Yeah. Let's try it out. The first official close. Ooh, it feels good.
Let me try it. Yep.
And it locks. Everything seems good. So there it is. What do you guys think? Silver knobs? I think that's going to work fine. It's not offensive. Even though the rest of the hardware in the house is going to be black. I just don't want black knobs on a black door. So there it is. Bathroom door done. Okay. Closet door done.
Nice.
And bedroom door done. Perfect. And by the way, we did get the closet ceiling painted. We have just a few minutes left before we leave, so we're going to try out the new tool, see how it works.
Okay, we have these low-hanging branches here that are annoying to mow around. so let's start with this. That is so easy.
Right when we were trying to demonstrate and try out this tool for the first time, our battery died on the camera, so we had to come home. We're home, but we changed the battery, and now hopefully before the sun sets, oop, you can see it's nearly down. Let's go cut a couple branches and try it out for real. Where you can see it. I think it's because you're at such a hard angle.
Boom.
Well guys, progress made. I wish we could have tried out that tool longer.
Yeah.
We just ran out of time. It's too late. You guys probably can't even see what we're doing.
We'll show it again another time though.
But now you're definitely probably going to start clearing a lot more
Yeah.
brush, because we have a whole section of property that is all grown in still.
That we didn't clear yet.
And you've been wanting to.
Mm-hmm.
I've been kind of liking it because it's a barrier between us and our neighbors. And our neighbors, they're fine. We have good neighbors. But it's more for their privacy than ours. Like, I like the privacy.
I like the privacy.
So that's why we've kind of left it grown in over there. But eventually we're going to take it down and hopefully install a new fence.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's all we have for now. We'll have to go back to the mobile home, fix that one door knob that didn't fit in the door. We'll just have to notch out the door a little more so it fits. 1 out of 5 isn't that bad.
Yeah.
So the rest of them went smooth. I got so many holes filled.
We got the rug in there. That looks really good.
Yes. I'm going to have so much fun once we start getting furniture and putting furniture in there and making it more and more livable. Right now we have that little love seat in there. That's going to move out of the way. And we're going to get something bigger. Probably take our living room furniture, bring it over there, and get something new for this house.
I want something different here.
So that's what we'll do.
We finished painting all the jams and stuff the other day.
Yeah, all the finishing touches are pretty much done at this point. So
all the corner trims.
Yep. So get ready for the kitchen countertop. That's what we're really aiming for next. And also closet hardware. I want to get the closets ready. So we'll see what we can tackle as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.
Bye.